So hi everyone. I just wanted to give you guys an update about me doing the Publish and Thrive course. The Publish and Thrive course has been really helpful, and like I've been seeing like me being able to learn more things about being a self-published author because it's very hard as it is like learning how to be an author and doing the ins and out of things by yourself. So like it was really helpful for me to be able to learn how to do those things. Um, what as one thing that struck me out in particular was the libraries and bookstores section, part of the course, which talks about like ways that you can get your books in libraries and bookstores. The place that I was very interested in is bookstores and libraries, but I knew that Kobo Writing Life had like places that you can go and access like Overdrive and stuff like that. And I knew Draft to Digital was an aggregator where you can put your books into libraries as well. But I didn't know that you needed to have a IngramSpark account in order to have your book on bookstores and stuff, because I guess they have something different with the catalog and things of that nature, but I didn't know that, and it was like very inspirational and informative to learn about those things. Um, I didn't know that you need a Library of Congress control number, so I'm gonna get that soon. But everything about like being an author is very hard, and if you don't know these things, then you're gonna really struggle as an author, especially if you don't know about copyright laws and stuff of that nature. But yeah, I'm really happy that I learned some stuff, and also I opened up a TikTok shop. Yay! So hopefully I can be able to like sell my books on there. I have my books and also my character art on there as of now, but maybe I might sell some other stuff. I don't know. But I also have my own website, so like that's a thing. But if you want to shop on TikTok Shop and stuff, you can shop at the link in my page. It's called A Queen's Diaries underscore 96. So if you find that, if you see that there, then you can be able to like purchase on my page. But yay! Thank you guys for watching my videos. I got this keyboard, and you should have saw the previous clip of me showing you the keyboard, but look at it. It lights up and everything, and it's like a typewriter. And I got my Logitech mouse, which was inexpensive, but this keyboard, I really like it. And yeah, it's really nice. Pairs well with my iPad and stuff, and I can get to writing and doing stuff that I want to do. So, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I posted something. I keep posting what is it called again? YouTube shorts, and I've seen that some of them do well, some of them don't do well. But at the same time that I post them, like I'm also posting TikTok. Um, TikTok stories and also TikToks on my page, a Queen's Diaries _96, and I'm having a lot of fun doing that, and it's very like inspirational, and I'm motivated to like keep on going. I'm inspired, I guess, to keep on going and doing what I have to do when it comes to like my author career and stuff. But one update I would like to say is that I ordered some author copies of my book, Becoming a Full Osei, and for some reason, the first batch of books that I got from them was messed up. Like they were like bent. Like if you can see this one, yeah, right here is bent, and like it was dirty. Like right here is dirty, and I'm trying to get my money back from Amazon, and they're giving me issues, telling me to call this number to do this. And when I call, and then they say they're gonna have somebody investigate it, and then I get an email saying that I have to call another department to get help for my book. So look at what happened to my book. Right here in the corner, I don't know if you can tell right there. Yeah, you can tell right here. It's creased, and look, it's dirty on the top. And also the pages are like kind of like bent. Like I don't like that. And I can't give this look. It's dirty. I'm about to ask Amazon for them to reprint the copies that are messed up. For my books coming out messed up, because I ordered 22 separate copies on one day, and then I bought 5 copies another day. And the 5 copies came with all of them dirty on this part of the book, and this one came bent, and then some of the parts of it is bent. And that kind of was like very annoying to me, because I was just like, why did it come that way? I spent my hard-earned money to pay for author copies. It should come the way I want it to come, especially if you have me waiting for a very long time to purchase books. I mean, not purchase books, to ship out books to me. So yeah, that was annoying. So I'm gonna call them after this, and yeah. Also Amazon um printed an old copy of my book cover, and I need to talk to them about that as well, because I updated all my files on every platform and everywhere that I publish my book, and even on Amazon. So hopefully that issue does not happen again when I order copies from them again. But I'm also trying to get into IngramSpark so I can be in bookstores and libraries and stuff if possible. Because of the situation where I already had I already used an ISBN from that I bought and put it on Amazon, and I didn't do them simultaneously at the same time. They're telling me that I need to what was the word? They tell me that I need to get a new ISBN for my paperback. So I bite the bullet and I got the new I used one of my ISBNs, so now I have four ISBNs used for the same book, which is crazy and nuts to me. Now I only have six ISBNs left if I want to publish other books. But I'm hoping eventually I'll be able to invest in the 100 pack, which is like $500 and something, which would be a big investment for me. But we'll see how everything turns about. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below any tips and tricks I can get to be in bookstores. And if you also have one thing I also wanted to do was to be on this platform called Seller. So if you have been on Seller before, please let me know the user experience and how it is so I can publish my books there. Because I heard that they sell to African countries that don't have certain things that don't have access to, like maybe Barnes and Nobles and stuff like that. So let me know your experience and what I can do to like have my book worldwide, because this is my first time publishing my book wide, so I don't really know a lot of things that I should know. So yeah. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below um how your day was. And if you comment down below, please think about subscribing. And if you're gonna subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time your girl upload a video. And with that being said, bye.